Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all my hotel/motel business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, I'll introduce y'all to my hotel/motel business plan template, specifically the Word document. I'll walk y'all through what's included in the template. I'll show you all the structure, the content, the writing style, and at the video, if you're interested in purchasing the hotel/motel business plan template, I'll also provide y'all with a link to do so. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. And as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky. I am a doctoral candidate as well as MBA, and I am a professional business writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if you all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, the trials and tribulations of writing your own hotel/motel business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Contact information is right there. Be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author. Check me out on Amazon.com. I've written several books on understanding and creating financial statements as well as understanding them, and as well as writing business plans. A lot of books on writing business plans. And then finally, I'm an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all need some financial projections for your hotel/motel, your business plan is good to go, but those pesky numbers are giving you some problems, again, be delighted to do those for you. All right, enough about me. Let's talk about the star of the show. The star of the show is the hotel/motel business plan template in the Word document. So the business plan template does come with a Word document as well as a basic Excel financial model. This tutorial, I'm going to be reviewing the Word document for you. So when you do buy it and you download the Word document, you're going to be greeted with this title page right here. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to move the word business plan down a little bit, and they'll put their company name here, or they'll put the logo right there. Next step is going to be, or the next page is going to be the table of contents. So as you're going through the business plan, you're adding a little bit more meat to the bone, expanding the various sections with your information. You'll want to come back to the table of contents at the end. Click on it, click on update the table, click on update entire table, click OK, and voila, just like magic, it will update the table of contents, all the headers, as well as the page numbers. Next section is the executive summary section. And so in the executive summary section, I break it down into the hotel/motel summary. Then we've got the target market right here. Then we've got the financial highlights, and then also the funding request. And so for the financial highlights, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the financial model. So you want to go ahead and complete the financial model. And the financial model is, in completing the financial model, there is a separate tutorial to do that. But once you update the financial model, and by the way, here's the financial model. Say hi, financial model. So once you update all the information in your financial model, what you'll want to do is you're going to want to go to the projections tab, and you're going to want the first three numbers right here. So when you're doing the financial highlights, the 567,000 should line up with the revenues, 364,000, the cost should line up with the cost, and 142,000 should line up with the net profits. So that's how you're going to update that section. You're going to do the financial model and then update the financial highlights. Funding requests, so how much money do you need to get the party started, and then just various aspects of it. Anywhere you see words in parentheses, you definitely want to put your information there. If it's highlighted in yellow, I recommend you all go ahead and review it to see if there's any changes needed. And then finally, if it's in green, for example, our hotel/motel, if you're going to be doing a hotel, then get rid of motel. If you're going to be doing a motel, then obviously you're going to get rid of hotel. So anytime it's in green, you're going to want to make that change. Your next page is the company description section. I give you a great starting point for the hotel/motel summary, services, competitive advantages, target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location description, and then a snippet of a strategic plan within your company summary. Next section is going to be your industry research. This is updated for 2023. Also, I do periodically and try to annually update that information. Look out for new videos focused on the hotel and motel business plan template offered by myself. But this information is updated for 2023 and so on. So industry research are already done. Get the information from the IBIS world, industry later in industry research. And then also the second page right here, and again, this is focused on the product segmentation. That's included in the research as well, up to date 2023. Next section is going to be the SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. For this right here, again, you're just going to click on the Smart Art. You're going to look for that little tiny arrow right there. Once you click on that arrow, then you'll have a text box, and you'll be able to make the changes to the words in that text box. Next section is going to be organizational structure. It's broken into two segments. Its first one is going to be the ownership information, and the second is the organizational chart. Organizational charts play the same game with the arrow right there. Smart Art, take care of that. And the colors coded, we already talked about that. Next section is the marketing section. Typically, my hotel/motel clients, they're going to be advertising in three main advertising channels, which is traditional, internet, and social media. So I give you a real good starting point for each one of those. Next section is your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? You'll put it right here. Your terms for a loan will be right here, and then interest rates expected will be right here. Next section is going to be financial projections, the financial model that I showed you earlier. You'll update that information, follow that tutorial, and then what you'll do is you'll copy and paste the different financial statements right here. You do get financial profit and loss for year one, broken down monthly as well as quarterly. Month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Month 4 through 6, quarter 2. Month 7 through 9, quarter 3. Month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And finally, your pro forma income statement annually for the next 5 years would be right here. And again, you just update all the information in the financial model, follow the tutorial that I provided for y'all with that model, and then copy and paste these statements into the Word document. All right, so that is my magic trick. Hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap her up and sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in buying my hotel/motel business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, which we just covered, as well as the tutorial, which is the video you just watched. It comes with a basic financial model that's customized for the industry, as well as a brief tutorial showing y'all how to use the financial model. It also comes with free access to my business plan writing tutorials. You can go ahead and access that information at this link right here. As always, there are some limitations to my templates. First, my templates are not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to have a great discussion about what's included in my hotel/motel business plan template, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. Be delighted to have a great conversation before you buy. However, after you buy the business plan template, if you have questions about the hotel/motel template, how to work it, how to use it, if you need me to help you with some changes, I do charge for that service, so there is no free phone support. I do charge on a half-hour basis, and you can find out my rates right here at this link. And so finally, if you are interested in buying my hotel/motel business plan template, you can purchase it at this link right here. And if you don't want to mess around with templates, you don't want to screw around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you or to do your financial projections for you, I would be delighted to do so. I do offer custom business plan writing services, and my prices are at this link right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.